Hello, this is Samuel Sikapizia here at the well. So I'm excited. I'm so excited. So last year, we experienced a horrible drought in Zambia, and people were walking miles and miles in search of fresh water, and we were affected in this area. But the good thing is that we had a water supply, but not enough for the community. So okay, I want you to see what we have here. Come close. This is the water that is in the well. That's what is underneath the well. Now, this story can be told in this community. Everybody is looking for water. Their wells are dry. And we're going to help and see how we can help them drill more wells and with heavy equipment so that they can have clean drinking water. So thank you and stay tuned. So the whole village in this area, one working well. And our goal is to ensure that we strategically drill wells in different locations so that people don't have to walk far, but they can have fresh water within their proximity. Look at that. Excited? Oh my goodness. Fresh water.